FOREX METATRADER. Welcome to FOREX METATRADER's channel, and happy new month to every one of you. I would like to show you a simple indicator. I have a single indicator on my chart right now, and you can use this particular indicator on any time frame you want. You can decide to combine this indicator with other indicators so that you'll be able to trade profitably. This is a single forex tools, and I do not want to keep this video long. I will show you how to use this indicator, and the download link to this particular forex indicator is in my video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. The only thing I need from you is just a thumb up, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, and do not forget to turn on the notification button. Now, each time you see this blue color, what you do is buy. Though you can change the color to any color you want, you can change the color. When it is blue, is buy, and the red, it is sell. It's as simple as a ABC. Anyone can use this particular indicator. So that's not about the indicator. It is simple, and anyone can use this forex meta indicator. It is meant for MT4 and not MT5. For a sell, you only place order when this rectangular box is red. For a sell, it depends on the color you change it to, and you only look out for a buy when it is green. And this is how to use this particular indicator. You can use it on any time frame you want. Here is it on the 1 hour, and we have it on 15 minutes here. Here is it on 4 hours, and you find out that we have the same signal on all the time frame. On daily, we have a blue rectangular box now, and on 4 hours we have blue rectangular box for a buy. On 1 hour we have the same thing also, and 30 minutes still the same up direction, and on 15 minutes we still have the same thing. On the 5 minutes we have the same thing, and here is it on 1 minute. So you can use this particular indicator on any time frame you want. Do not forget that the download link is in the video description, and make sure you give me a thumb up. Now let me show you the setting for the indicator. This is just a simple indicator, as I said, and this is the Renko size is 20, line width is 1. You can change any of these parameters if you want and see how it works. Just make sure you set it up, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. This indicator is meant for METATRADER4. It is simple, and make sure you download it. Till I come your way again, keep on winning and keep on improving. Bye for now.